Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the redox reaction. Redox reaction is the reduction and the oxidation. Both processes occur simultaneously, hence one species is oxidized, another is reduced. What is oxidation and what is the reduction? Three different versions of the definition. Oxidation is the gain in the oxygen and loss of hydrogen, loss of electron. Reduction is the loss of oxygen, gain in hydrogen and gain of electrons. In terms of oxidation gain of oxygen in a species, examples are magnesium is oxidized to MgO, and reduction is the loss of oxygen in a species, H2O is reduced to H2. It is the gain or the loss of O2 and O2 negative. In terms of hydrogen, oxidation is the loss of hydrogen in a species, example is H2O is oxidized to H2. Gain of hydrogen in a species is O2 is reduced to H2O2. It is the gain or loss of hydrogen and not H positive ions. In terms of the electron, OS oxidation is loss, reduction is gain. Oxidation is loss of electron in a species and magnesium is oxidized to MgO. Magnesium from the 12 electron to 10 electron in magnesium 2 positive. Reduction is the gain of electron in a species. O2 is reduced to H2O2. O from 8 electron to 9 electron per O in O2 negative. An oxidizing agent is a chemical species that causes the other reactant in a redox reactions to be oxidized, and it is always reduced in the process. A reducing agent is the chemical species that causes the other reactant in a redox reactions to be reduced, and it is always oxidized in the processes. The substance that donate electron in a redox reaction is the reducing agent, and the substance that take electron in a redox reaction is the oxidizing agent. Oxidation is the loss of electron and increase in oxidation state, and addition of oxygen the loss of hydrogen. Reduction is the gain of electron and decrease in oxidation state, the loss of oxygen and the addition of hydrogen. 2Mg plus O2 is converted into the 2MgO in oxidation state. Note there are the magnesium is losing electron and the magnesium 2 positive MgO is gaining electron. There are development of oxidation and reduction reaction concept. There are reaction oxidized based on releasing and the gaining of the oxygen. Oxidation state reaction is the gaining of the oxygen by a substance. CH4 plus 2O converted into CO plus 2H2O. P is equal to 5O and converted into 2P2O. Reduction reaction is reaction releasing of the oxygen from an oxide compound, CuO plus H. Their copper is plus the H2O is water, and the iron plus 3 carbonate converted into 2F plus 3CO. Oxidation reaction is a reaction of electron releasing from a substance, sodium plus electron, magnesium 2 positive plus 2 electron. CO is converted into C2 positive 2 electron. Reduction reaction is Cl2 plus 2 electrons to Cls plus 2 electron S2 negative. In today's class, I discuss about the reduction and oxidation.